Hello from New York City, everyone. Now we are in Central Park and it's an amazing weather after a pouring rain yesterday, the first day that we arrived in New York. And this is a lovely park actually. I'm impressed, like in the middle of so many buildings, there's so much space for your dogs and for yourself to get a little bit of sunshine along with some nature. Now it's our second day in New York City and it's a beautiful day. And we are in front of one of New York City's most iconic buildings, the Vessel. So the Vessel is actually a sculpture that has 154 staircases that are interconnected, and it also has 2,500 steps. Unfortunately, the Vessel is closed right now, so you're actually meant to climb up towards Vessel, but you cannot right now. But still, you can come up, pay a visit, and take a look at this massive building. I mean, it's not tall, but it's a massive staircase, you know. Chelsea market. It's a seven-day open in a week market. It's not just a food market where there are many cafes, bakeries and small restaurants, but it's also a sort of like a flea market. Not exactly a flea market, but like you can find some special made custom designed clothes, accessories, and especially the middle part, the middle floor. And apart from that, well, you can pretty much find everything, I guess. There's even a fruit market that is called Manhattan Fruit Market. But I feel a bit dizzy actually because there are too many things to see. It's too crowded and I just don't know what to try, like, or should I try anything, because there are so many things, obviously. But you can also just come here for a quick tour, only because it's a bit interesting. We're now on Brooklyn Bridge, which was built in 1883. Sorry, I'm just too tired I think we've been walking for like hours and hours. Of course we took some rest, but it was magnificent to just search around, wander around New York City like this, because by walking you can see a lot. And Brooklyn Bridge connects Manhattan and Brooklyn. So now we're heading to Brooklyn to see what's around, to see those beautiful scenes from famous movies and TV series. And I actually have some good scenes from The Gossip Girl about Brooklyn. So I'm quite curious about Brooklyn, about the cafes, restaurants, and the whole neighborhood vibe. Welcome to our third day in New York City. Getting jet lagged screwed me up pretty badly. I woke up at 3 a.m. the first night, and then today I woke up at 4 a.m. and I couldn't sleep back, so I'm pretty sleepy. But we came to the Union Square. There's a green market, there are nice micro bakeries and organic vegetables and fruits here in case you live in New York or you're staying for a while and you want to just come and shop some green stuff. So yeah, well, actually it's smaller than I expected, but there are pretty interesting stuff as well, so just keep that in mind. In Trader Joe's market, and I'm about to lose my mind. Like, there are so many different things, everything in double, triple, or like, I don't know, like larger sizes and amounts. Like the milk, for instance, it's for gallons, not for like liters, which is so interesting. I mean, I knew about some things, but you know, you still don't believe it until you see it with your own eyes. And if I lived here, I would probably gain a lot of weight because there are so many things that I would like to try, but there are huge lines in this market, so I don't think we're gonna buy anything, but I'm sure that I would love to come here and visit here once again, because there are so many interesting products. Like, there are so many different types of peanut butter cups, for instance, like not just Reese's, the unhealthy ones. So yeah, just come here, because like I'm seriously about to lose my mind about these multiple products. hello from Haarlem. We actually came here to visit the Apollo Theater. It's a historical theater where a lot of famous performers performed, like James Brown, Aretha Franklin, and we actually aim to see a bit more around. However, we're a bit tired. Just had some fried chicken and waffles and sweet potato pie, which I thought, which was delicious actually. So highly recommend it. I'm definitely in my dream place. This is Harry Potter shop in New York City, and you can find a lot of things, including butterbeer, like the Harry Potter's birthday cake, and so many more objects. To be honest, the materials are not good, so the materials they make the products with are usually trash, but like you can easily get something as a souvenir for yourself or for your Harry Potter lover friends. So I'm just like a kid here, like I'm excited with everything because you can even find like Voldemort's wand, which I actually have, and some other wands like Dumbledore's or Snape's or Bellatrix Lestrange's, which is so exciting. So this is our last day in New York City, and in the evening we are flying to San Francisco, and we will be having like 6 hours of difference. So another jet lag, but it's been quite nice actually. We've seen almost every place that is a must-see and tried to eat every bit of thing that is a must in New York City, which was fun, but I still feel like, oh my god, like there are so many other things to try and so many other things to see, but on the weather side we haven't been that lucky, and I'm so glad today is not rainy and cold and windy anymore. So see you in San Francisco.